Previous point, reaction of metals with other metal salt. In this displacement reaction it takes place. Copper sulfate solution, iron displaces copper and formation of iron sulfate, ferrous sulfate. Second test tube, ferrous sulfate plus copper wire. There is no reaction, hence copper is less reactive than iron. Highly reactive metal displaces less reactive metal from its salt solution. Next point is reactivity series of metals. Scientists have developed the reactivity series by doing many experiments of displacement reaction. The arrangement of metals in the increasing or decreasing order of reactivity is called reactivity series. According to displacement reaction, scientists developed a technique or arrangement of metals: highly reactive, moderately reactive and less reactive. Metals are divided into three groups: highly reactive metals, moderately reactive metals and less reactive metal. For this, the basic unit is considered that displacement reaction. Next point, reaction of metals with non-metals. Reaction of metals with non-metals. Reaction of metals with non-metals. In this case, we also see that the ionic compounds. Reaction of metals with non-metals, ionic compounds. In this point, subheading is ionic compounds. Ionic compounds. In this point, we see formation of number 1 NaCl, number 2 KCl, number 3 MgCl2, number 4 CaCl2. In this heading, under this heading we see the formation of NaCl, KCl, MgCl2, CaCl2, and these are the ionic compounds. And Na is metal, sodium is metal, the chlorine is non-metal, potassium is metal, non-metal, magnesium metal, chlorine non-metal, calcium is metal, and chlorine is non-metal. Reaction of metals with non-metals and formation of a compound known as ionic compound. In this case, first we see the formation of NaCl. Formation of NaCl, sodium, atomic number 11, electronic configuration 281, chlorine, atomic number 17, electronic configuration 287. Each element try to attain the noble gas electronic configuration. Sodium attain noble gas electronic configuration 2,8. There is atomic number is 10 and attain nearest noble gas electronic configuration is neon. नियॉन की तरह ये इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन अटेन करने का प्रयास करेगा या ट्राई करेगा. क्लोरीन एटॉमिक नंबर 17, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 287. Only one is electron is required for complete octet, and then nearest inert gas is argon. Hence, one electron sodium easily lose and one electron chlorine easily gain to attain a nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Hence, sodium transfer one electron towards chlorine and chlorine gain one electron towards itself. The structure for this is sodium, first shell, second shell, and this is the third shell. First shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons, and last shell 1 electron. Same structure for chlorine. First shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons, and third shell there is a 7 electron. Sodium transfer 1 electron, totally transfer of 1 electron towards chlorine, and chlorine gains totally 1 electron toward itself. Hence attain nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Hence 1 electron lose. Sodium lose 1 electron. Hence here charge develop is sodium have plus 1 charge, and chlorine gain of 1 electron. Hence chlorine negative charge. Chlorine have 1 negative charge. Ions are developed here. Totally transfer or totally gain of electron. Ions are developed, and here develops a strong electrostatic force of attraction, and here bond is formed. Ions are formed. Strong electrostatic force of attraction produces and forms a bond known as ionic bond and formation of NaCl compound. Ionic compound NaCl. मतलब definition of ionic compound is totally transfer or gain of electrons and produces ions and develops strong force, electrostatic force of attraction and formation of a bond known as ionic bond, and in this way the compound containing ionic bond known as ionic compounds. The first compound is NaCl, formation of NaCl. In the same way we can form KCl, MgCl2, CaCl2. NaCl, clear? Sodium transfer 1 electron towards chlorine. Chlorine gain 1 electron, hence develops charge and formation of NaCl ionic compound. Next example, KCl, same type. KCl, potassium, electronic configuration, potassium 19, 2881. Outermost shell contain 1 electron. Easily lose 1 electron. Potassium and chlorine same electronic configuration. Formation of KCl. Formation of KCl 287. Potassium. Here potassium. Here is a fourth shell. One electron transferred towards chlorine. Potassium atom number 19, 2881. 1 electron is totally transferred towards chlorine, and chlorine will gain 1 electron and formation of Cl minus. Here K plus, potassium plus, charges are developed, ions are formed and produces strong electrostatic force of attraction and formation of ionic bond, and hence formation of ionic compound. This is the ionic compound K plus Cl minus. Next, magnesium chloride. Formation of magnesium chloride. This is also the ionic compound. Here magnesium atomic number 12. Magnesium atomic number 12. Electronic configuration 2,8,2. Chlorine same, atomic number 17. Electronic configuration 287. Magnesium electronic configuration is 282. Magnesium contains 2 electrons in its outermost shell. Hence 2 electrons are lost by magnesium because it attains nearest noble gas electron configuration. Noble gas is neon. Here neon 2,8. It is the electronic configuration of neon. Hence it loses 2 electrons and attains neon electronic configuration. Hence magnesium first shell contains 2 electrons, second shell contains 8 electrons, and third shell contains 2 electrons. 1 electron, 2 electron. These 2 electrons totally transfer towards 2 chlorine atoms. 2 separate chlorine atoms. because the formula for magnesium chloride is MgCl2. Formula for magnesium chloride is MgCl2. There is structure for this Cl, MgCl. Same chlorine. Second, 2 electrons, 8 electrons, and last shell में 7 electrons. Okay. Here also same chlorine atom. Chlorine atom. First shell 2 electrons, second shell 8 electrons, and third shell 7 electrons. Each chlorine atom gain 1 electron from magnesium. Totally transfer of electron, totally gain of electron, totally transfer of electron, gain of electron. Formation of, here 2 electrons are lost by magnesium. Hence magnesium, 2 electron lose, hence 2 positive charges are developed. Each chlorine atom gain 1 electron, hence 1 negative charge developed. Magnesium, chlorine, chlorine. Ions are formed and formation of strong electrostatic force of attraction, and there is a formation of bond. Hence formation of a compound magnesium chloride is an ionic compound. Okay, third example, calcium chloride. CaCl2. Calcium atomic number 20. Electronic configuration 2,8,8, last shell contain 2 electrons. Hence calcium loses easily 2 electrons because 2,8,8, this is the electronic configuration of argon, which is the inert gas element, and calcium is try to attain the nearest noble gas electronic configuration. Hence 2,8,8 and 2 electrons are easily lost by calcium, and which is gained by chlorine atoms. Same structure here. मैग्नीशियम की जगह पे क्या आएगा? कैल्शियम. कैल्शियम इलेक्ट्रॉनिक कॉन्फ़िगरेशन 2,8,8, 2. 1 electron, 1 electron. This electron transferred towards chlorine. This electron transferred towards chlorine. And calcium, 2 lose of 2 electrons, and hence charge developed on calcium is +2. Calcium +2 charges are developed, and each chlorine atom have 1 negative charge because of gain of electron. आया समझ में? Calcium +2 charge, chlorine 2 negative charge. Hence formation of a bond produces force of attraction. Hence produces a bond and formation of calcium chloride, which is a ionic compound. Hence metals react with non-metals. These are the 4 examples of under this heading. Okay. Next point is chemical properties of non-metals. We see the chemical properties of metals. Headings are react with oxygen, reaction with oxygen, reaction with water, reaction with acids. In the same way, we consider here the reaction chemical properties of non-metal. first heading is same points are here. Consider reaction with oxygen, reaction with water, reaction with acid, etc. Non-metals are a collection of elements having less similarity in physical and chemical properties. Non-metals are also called electronegative elements. Non-metals also known as electronegative elements, as they form negatively charged ions by accepting one electrons. Non-metals react with, first heading is non-metal react with oxygen, reaction with oxygen. Reaction with oxygen. Generally, non-metal combine with oxygen to form a acidic oxide. In some cases, neutral oxides are also formed. Non-metals react with oxygen, formation of acidic oxides, and in some cases, neutral oxides are also formed. In this case, we consider three reactions: carbon react with oxygen, carbon react with oxygen, and sulfur react with oxygen. First chemical reaction is carbon plus oxygen, formation of CO2. Next, carbon plus oxygen, formation of 2CO, carbon monoxide. And third reaction, sulfur combines with oxygen, formation of SO2. In this case, complete combustion occurs and formation of carbon dioxide. Complete combustion. Here, carbon combines with oxygen, formation of carbon monoxide. Hence, it is a partial combustion. And this is the complete combustion. Sulfur plus oxygen, formation of SO2. This is the complete combustion and formation of sulfur dioxide. And CO2 is the acidic oxide. Carbon monoxide is a neutral oxide. And sulfur dioxide is a acidic oxide. Hence, non-metals combines with oxygen, formation of acidic oxides, and in some cases there is a formation of neutral oxides. Three reactions are here. Carbon combines with oxygen, formation of CO2. This is the complete combustion, acidic oxide. Carbon combines with oxygen in partial combustion, formation of carbon monoxide, neutral oxide. And sulfur combines with oxygen, complete combustion, formation of sulfur dioxide. This is the acidic oxide. Okay.